Paano ka ba, or ano ba, pwede ba nating balikan ang istorya mo before?
Yes, of course. My life is really colorful. So, kung nanood ka ng 700 Club, my life, actually, it's God's story talaga of transformation.
Yes.
It was featured in 700 Club. I also shared my life testimony sa church. And even hindi ako makapaniwala na nalagpasan ko yung ganong klaseng life. Very traumatizing. It was really different seed before. Pero isa lang yung natatandaan ko. I'm a strong single mom. Until now.
Yes, and grabe, ako nung napanood ko talaga yung story mo, no? Parang, dun ako na-inspire, and actually, parang tumindig yung balahibo ko, na parang, grabe ka, kasi, sobrang strong, independent woman na ngayon may sarili ng negosyo and nagkaroon ka ng purpose ngayon.
Yes.
No? Na you have a business and you help your people, no, na magtrabaho sa'yo araw-araw.